All right, this is a little scuffed with the space bar, but okay. I know. What was that? Scuffed. So I used my KBD67 Lite as a keyboard to test my switches. I was not intending to open up the case, put the stabs in, all that stuff, so I just put the alphas, the backspace, and a very scuffed shift spacebar. Anyways, as scuffed as it was, it did sound nice. Probably the most deepest or dampened-ish sound I've ever heard from a KBD67 Lite, and especially from a Aqua King switch. So, I figured might as well upload it as scuffed as it is.